get it just right. So that might be it right there. Just like so. We're just working that around, just like that. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, so we got that seated on. Next, there's an O-ring on here. Now, there's one thing I want to point out, that there's two different style of O-rings. I already got this one installed, but I'll show you what the other one looks like. One's a really little guy, and one's a big guy. Depending on the compressor housing you have will dictate which one you're using. In this case, it's a Power Max, so we're using the smaller of the two. The way you can tell the difference between the two is here is a not a Power Max wheel, right? So this is or a front cover, I should say. You can see that there's a step. There's a flat step, and then it comes up. On the Power Max, it's just flat to flat. Okay. So here's the other compressor housing. So if you look at them, you can see the difference between the two. You know, this one is flat. This one's got, you know, some dips down, and so there's a difference. So make sure you're paying attention to that when you're doing this. So we're going to install the smaller of the two. Using the bigger of the two, it goes on this outside lip. These ones are a real pain in the ass to get on. This one's nice because there's actually a groove cut in there that makes this O-ring really nice to install. So at this point, we can set on our front cover, or the compressor housing. And again, this only goes one way, so you'll notice immediately that there's